This is my creative space, one where I put together my ideas and the videos you're watching here right now. Slowly, I've been looking online at other creators and taking some of their best ideas to improve it. So as you'll see there's a C-stand, some box licks right there. I have some more things I'm playing around with, but I just don't want to get anything. Things that make my process better. Recently, I've been thinking about where my best ideas come from, and it's usually outside of the space. So I get ideas outside and I bring them in. But what if I could create also while I'm out there on the go? That's where this mic comes in. I've had multiple solutions for audio. I've used my phone. I think I have it next to me here. This iPhone, not the best. The best upgrade I made was a Sony mic, the one you see right here. This has gotten some of the highest quality. But what if I want to do voiceovers while I'm out there? I picked up this Audio-Technica microphone to solve for that. This mic is a plug and play. I love it so much. Here's my first impressions. Welcome to the review of the Audio-Technica USB-XP. This mic is my go-to mic now for recording everything voiceover. That doesn't come on my camera. So I'm running this review from outdoors. The major thing I want to share here is that audio doesn't always get recorded with the shot or sometimes at a desk. So good audio doesn't always come in the studio. So this is why I'm sitting outside testing this. Next up is what comes in the box. You get this mic, you get a cord to connect it to your laptop. Right here, I'm using Apple provided long, this is like 6 feet, unreasonably long, but it works with this, which is the great thing. Because it takes USB-C, you can plug in almost any other cord you have. So I'm probably not going to use the one that came with the box. That's okay. Next up, you have this base. I need to avoid moving this too much. One thing I will say about this is, and I'll get to this later, is that it picks up a lot of vibrations. So I'll try to hold still here, but you have this base, this mic, and a cord. Very simple, very easy to use and set up. The moment I plug it in, I get prompted to, hey, do you want to connect? And once you hit yes with that, it's connected and you're good to go. The problem I've had in the past is that I've had to use my iPhone. I've had to use the in-body camera, which is awful. Better off using your iPhone. If I had to rank my experience, iPhone, cheap Amazon microphone, and then right at the bottom is any in-body camera mic. It's just dog water. So my experience with this so far, I've had this for less than a week. Some of the things I love, first is the button to mute and unmute. And it's back to unmuted. That easy. Just with one tap, I can control that. There's also a toggle here to change where the sound is coming from. It could come from the mic, or it could also come from my laptop. And then lastly, there's another slider here to change how the audio plays back in headphones. So I don't have headphones connected to this. So one of the reasons I got this mic is the portability. Look at this package. A mic, a stand, a cord. I can throw this in a backpack, and I don't even have to bring the stand with me. I just need the mic and the cord. Throw this in a suitcase and I'm good to go, and I can have good quality wherever I'm going. I can use this for voiceovers. I can use this for podcasts. I'm not doing a podcast, but you get the point. I can use this for Zoom calls, you name it. Plug and play. I love that. Sound quality wise, so far I'm loving it. One thing that really jumps out to me, I will say, is the mids and the highs. I have a bassy voice and it kind of washes out the bass a little bit, you know? It cleans out that bass, but if you're going to use this to sing, this is great for that. If you're going to be playing some like drums on this and trying to play into this mic, probably not the best mic for it, but for voiceovers and what I'm using it for, this is fine. I can tweak it a little bit to match my other mics. Some of the limitations, I think one thing I wish it came with was the boom arm to mount it. So I had a prior boom arm, but I tried pairing it with this one. It doesn't work. So I'll need to find what the boom arm for a Sony ECM M1, I think it's called. Yeah, ECM M1. Sony doesn't do a good job with names, but that one, and then obviously Audio-Technica follows suit. Hey, everybody needs to start picking up the Apple way. Like, they name everything. But this is the Audio-Technica AT2020 USB-XP. Mouthful. This is great as well. The combination of those two mics, I can just toss them in a bag and I'm good to go. I'm loving that. So far, the audio has been great. I highly, highly, highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for a mic you can carry on the go. This entire video is going to be recorded on this mic. So if you're listening to this, you can judge it for yourself. Who is this for and who would I recommend it for? If you're not looking to play too much with the gain and the tone of your voice and you just want something you can plug and play, this is the mic for you. If you want a mic that is very portable, and portable is relative, but I think for me this is portable because I don't have to carry anything else. And the USB-C cord I need is the same I use to charge my phone, it's the same I use to charge my laptop and everything else. So one cord, one mic, and that's it. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed the video, this was meant to be a quick review. Please drop a like, subscribe. I'll be dropping more videos. Peace.